PowerTarger Trades, PowerTarger Trade.
How to make money in options. In this video, I'm going to show how to make money in options through stock plans that I make inside of my group, Power Group Trades, right? Right here is an example of Roku, how we made greater than 100% gains in Roku. So let's start from the starting point here. So here it is. Over here is July the 2nd. I posted this Roku update plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into the charts and we're going to read here. Here it is. It says Roku is set up to go test back to up to 100 to 105 quickly. The July 1995 calls are perfect for this move now. Okay. Then I post instructions of what we're looking for confirmation. So Roku needs to break over 94 or 95 to confirm. Okay. It was a range that day depending on the action. But I posted confirmation in the group. So over here, see where the arrow is? You see the July, you see those July 95 calls? And that's the closing price. We see the price there? That's $305 per option. 3.05 means $305 per options. So if you bought 10 options, the total cost would be $3,000, okay, of your investment here in the case of 10 options. If you bought 2, it would be $610, okay? And of course, this was July the 2nd, okay? That was the closing price right here where you see the circle box. All right, so now we're back into the Power Group Trades here, out of these charts, okay? And here it is, July the 3rd. Roku confirming with the July 1995 calls at $350. So we had to pay a little bit more because obviously we needed higher prices. So there's the confirmation post. Okay, now, on that same day, Roku did go against us. And this is what I said. Roku can confirm and act weak for today. As long as we stay above 91, it is fine. So I am reassuring my members to let's hold Roku. We're going to go into the charts. I'm going to show everything. This stock can move back up very quickly. So for now, as long as it stays above 91 for today, it is a hold. I will update more on this. Of course, we remain holding this, okay? And right over here. For Roku, I even gave a more update. Imagine I suggested $1.70 stops. That's $170, meaning that it was going against us about almost 50%. But it never went that far. I was suggesting to use those particular stops because we didn't want to get out of this position and miss the move. We wanted to hold properly. So at the time, Roku was at, the options were costing $255 as Roku was at $92.20. Of course, Roku never went against us and closed up practically a little bit against us at the end of the day. I'm going to show you the charts. This stock can, and again, I assured everybody, I said this stock can be crazy sometimes, but it should do well. It has done this before, only to do well. That's right. I have a lot of experience on how stocks act, and this particular stock as well. It's always been a winner for us as long as we follow the rules, okay? Because we have a rule structure. To succeed, you need a rule structure. You need to know all these things, and I do this for the group all the time. I'm always teaching my group members through the messages, through live streams of how to really hold great plans, like you see here in Roku. Okay, so today it shows 9 hours because this is July the 8th. Okay, and I'm going to go into the charts and show you this. And we said Roku, we can put stuff. We were holding Roku, so as Roku was going up, I suggested stops at 730 because as we made 100% gains, we took 50% off, okay? And then we held our runners, right, for more gains, right? Now, of course, we were able to lock this in the additional runners for about 150% gains, okay? I'm going to show you the close. You can see right over here, because shows 4 hours because, of course, that's later into the market day. Roku, the July 1995 calls are at $975 per option. Okay? You can take profits here as Roku is at 103.63. It also hit 104. Boom. So let's go to the charts. Let me explain this, okay? But I want you to see this over here. Give me a second. Goes to the charts. All right, so here I am in the charts for Roku, and you can see today, July the 8th, right over here, Roku closed at 103.25, but the high was 104. Now, here are the 95 calls. See right over here where my cursor is? The 95 calls, as I highlighted, they closed at $930 per option, okay? So we were able to, when you add the 100% gains and the 150% gain, the average came to about 120% gains for our options, okay? So if you had a $3,000 investment, okay, basically, you know, you made about $7,000, okay? 100%, so you double it plus an additional 20%, okay? So you can figure that out, the math, okay? And this was accomplished in a few days, right? Because I did say that Roku was going to move quickly. And because it was going to move quickly, we used basically options that only had 2 weeks. Right? We could have used even less, but I prefer using the most, I wanted to use those the longest options possible. Usually we use weeklies for stuff like Amazon and Google L and Tesla. But I usually use 2 weeks or monthly options. I usually use monthly options for stuff like for a lot of great plans. But in this particular Roku plan, Ruko's a very fast mover in my plan structure, and so that's what we did. Okay. Let me show you something here. All right, so here is PowerTarget Trade. Confirmation is key. Okay. Right here on my Twitter is a pinned tweet. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Okay. So it's just a few simple instructions. Listen to that. But one of the things you want to do is study my YouTube channel. So if you click over here, you'll find a YouTube link, and we're going to go to my YouTube channel. So give me a second. I'm going to press this link over here. All right, so here's PowerTarget Trades. Confirmation is key. Okay. Basically, what you want to do is you want to study this created playlist. It has a lot of plans. You want to understand what I'm about, right? Just like this Roku plan that you're seeing. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to post this Walmart plan. You're going to find it in a box. You can click on it and directly see that video. I suggest you see the Walmart video. Study my YouTube channel. Study my style. Okay. And then look to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, right? It's not hard. If you're serious, you'll be able to figure it out, right? It's for the people serious for success. The more you study, the more you are familiar with what I'm doing and understand, the more I can help you succeed, and you can follow the rules of being in my group. Okay? My group is free. It's free for you to make money. Then you're successful, and we'll get into the success part, what you should be doing. But my point is, I'm very confident if you understand my rules and you study how we get into plans like we're doing right now, you'll be able to have very success. You have to understand, you have to go into multiple plans. That being said, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube account, if you don't have one, get one, subscribe here manually. But if you have one, you can see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Also, check out that Walmart winning video and study my created playlist, a wealth of information. So I hope to see you inside of Power Group Trades. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's make money. I've been the big picture leader for years on end, and I do live streams. I help to empower those serious for success. See you on Power Group Trades.
PowerTarget Trades. PowerTarget Trades.